Kani gadega Patisi TV.
Ka Bharatiya Janata Party akarpoi terik yayong kala pentep bakathong jongka ka jingelap election arjar khatpra kalong manlet mudui ka sarkar Mukul Sangma akmat upajba habai dei ka jingbomla man pendep iki jingkular ki bakala klei patru ban Pynrem Kput Mukul haka election banwan haka jingekiran batkilat pathai kubor hadian balawai ka jingelang jong State Executive Committee SCC jong BJP Meghalaya ka baladon langru unalin koli ubakmi ya ka jala Meghalaya Convener Kaneda Himanta Biswa Ulaong ka jela Meghalaya ka dekawai ni ki jela ka badang saadin pat ka baklamla ban pentre kami ki kampenroi na pereng ki jela jong tahan chete lamingi patula benrap dak baong de nakani ka daw min salit mudui chopat ba haringkat ki jingdon ki jingtho pat ki jingken.
We recognize that Meghalaya has a government which is completely unpopular. Meghalaya has not seen the kind of development which the people of Meghalaya deserve. And in order to actually make Meghalaya as one of the front-ranking state in our country, we recognize that there should be a state government which actually both letter and spirit are ready to implement Modi's vision of India. Now there is many central government plan, many activity, but congressional state governments are very slow in implementing those in their respective state. So, in order to translate Prime Minister vision in Meghalaya, we need a vehicle. The vehicle would be our own state government, which will implement Prime Minister's program for development in Meghalaya. And in the process, Meghalaya should be one of the front-ranking state of our country. So with that objective in our mind, we are starting our organizational activity. We will soon come out with a search sheet against Dr. Mukul Sangma's government. We'll bring through that search sheet, we are going to actually going to the doorstep of the people, where it will be incorporated many basically the scheme which are not being done completely, many promises which Congress party has made not implemented. So all these search sheet you will see there is a complete reflection of misgovernance, corruption, then underdevelopment, and also many personal complicities of the Congress leadership in Meghalaya.
Habatakaranya ka sarkar Congress hapo Meghalaya pat ki kam ki bak khlemla ban pendem pat ban pen urlong usarma uloong nga khlem padi I kawai ru ka kam penroi hapo ka jela lai no tang scheme ka sarkar pedeng usarma ulo bu jingkili shei ki medical college ki bak lakular hu arjar khatwai bat ka ban bu ashlong batura hadu menta ka Assam kaladon hadu Shiputli ki medical college patulong hadu mentapat ka Meghalaya ka dontang Artli College sarkar.
I asked my friend, has Tura got now the medical college? Because in 2011 we all said that Tura will have a medical college. Now where is that medical college? By now Assam has got 10 medical colleges. Now today a very interesting fact has come that in Meghalaya you have only 2 government colleges. It should have been 1 government college at least its constituency. Now, where Dr. Sangma is performing, in the entire Meghalaya, you have just 2 government colleges. Now, you have a university, Nehu University, which were there. In last 5 years, which is the new university Meghalaya government has set up? Except that the scams university, which is actually polluting my environment, your environment, everybody's environment. So, how will analyze Dr. Sangma? We have not seen anything except the central government project. We go to Negrins or anything except what central government has given to Meghalaya, where Meghalaya is performing. Today people's livelihood at stake with the coal. But where Meghalaya government is active in Supreme Court? Nobody is there, nobody is active, nobody is concerned about livelihood, nobody is concerned about expansion of education, nobody is concerned about expansion of health. Even state like Manipur today, they have a state-owned medical college. And where is the Meghalaya state-owned medical college? Where is the Meghalaya's government's own university? Where is Meghalaya government's own government colleges? So I think he has not performed at all.
Shushu Sangma ulong ke Bharatiya Janata Party kelalong ke belak kriya ba nak kebentakan ke election syaka yang terbartoan ke bansawan ke banlang senam arja kat pra but keburu akamat deka vision document man pelong ya ke jela kum kawai ni ki jela ke bakiu syaprang hakaliang ki kampen roy hakarihi barok kawai
Kani Kput TV.